How's it going, guys? My name's Andy from Urban Herbs, and this is the first video that we've posted to our channel for quite a long time. We've been very remiss, haven't we? This season has been so incredibly busy, hasn't it? Every season is different, but the 2021 season brought its own challenges for so many people in so many different ways. But we're now back, and we are committed to posting regularly to this YouTube channel. Over the coming weeks, we have got so much exciting content lined up for you guys. We're going to be posting weekly about the herbs that we love, sharing growing tips and information, promoting the varieties that we love, but more importantly, giving you a load of growing hacks, tips and tricks that are really going to optimize your growing as we go into autumn, winter and spring 2022. It seems like a long way off, doesn't it? But it's really not. Over the coming weeks, we're going to be talking about herbs for autumn. We always say that autumn is our second herb season. What do we mean by that? Well, we all love planting our bedding plants, flowering perennials and hanging baskets during the summer. But you get to late summer and the bedding plants are looking a little bit tired. And that is the perfect window to start replacing those tired bedding plants with something. Now you've got choices. You can plant some winter bedding, violas, pansies, they look great. Or you could plant up some herbs, some fragrant, really sensory plants that look beautiful, but they provide you with flavour going into autumn also. And that is why we think our second herb season is so popular. It's a time of year that we absolutely love. And over the next few weeks on this channel and through our other social channels, we're going to be sharing the joy of growing into autumn with you. If you've got any questions about growing herbs in autumn, if you're looking for some inspiration, drop us a comment below wherever you are in the world. Leave us a comment, ask the question, and we'll try and get back to you as soon as we can. We might even create a video where we answer your question, because so many other people will be wondering the same thing. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, turn on post notifications, because we think you're going to love the content that is coming over the next few months. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We love having you with us. If you're old friends with Urban Herbs, if you've been interacting with us regularly over the last few months, welcome back. We're going to be posting a lot more videos on this channel, and we cannot wait to share the joy of growing with you.